National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Oswego to 7 miles west of Manuka, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Romeoville, Plainfield, Channahon, Manuka, Crest Hill, and Shorewood around 8 p.m. Woodridge, Lockport, Palmer Glen, Lemont, and Darien around 8:05 p.m. Orland Park, New Lenox, Burr Ridge, Willow Springs, and Ingalls Park around 8:10 p.m. Mokina and Frankfort around 8:15 p.m. Tinley Park and Frankfort Square around 8:20 p.m. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bartlett, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Schaumburg, Hoffman Estates, Bartlett, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village, Roselle, and Bloomingdale around 8 p.m. Wooddale around 8:05 p.m. Rolling Meadows around 8:10 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado